Hello children, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to St. Thomas High School Mahua online lecture. So, in last we have completed our unit number 8. So, I will give the PDF of that chapter when your book is checked. So, I will give of this both chapter together. May your book will not come, then you just keep this PDF with you. Okay, after this chapter completion I will provide you a PDF and also an additional questions. Okay, so moving ahead. So in last I told you that I will show you the picture of stupas, viharas and that. So here is a picture of stupas. So like this, it is a stupa. Now this is Vihara. A Buddhist monastery in Thailand is known as Vihara or a what. So this type of structure is known as a Viharas. Now this is an Ajanta Ellora cave where famous paintings, Neolithic periods old paintings are there. This is Ajanta Ellora cave. This is picture of famous Padmapanini, that is a very ancient painting. So in textbook only this name is there. You study that. I told you that I will show you afterwards. So this is the world famous painting. Okay. So now we'll start with our chapter number 15, government. Okay. So now can you say that without government, that how our country will take decision about all the things? We cannot, na? If we will take decision, all will not obey. So government is there to take decision on behalf of us for what the thing is beneficial to us and how the country works. So let's start. Country India is the largest democracy in the world. So we are the largest democracy in the world. Elders to the administration and management of the home. Our elders are there, grandmother, grandfather. So they are doing administration of our home, that which things is required, how much thing we have to buy, how the house will be. All the things are decided by our elders in our home, na? Similarly, the administration of the country is done by the government. So, in home elders is there. So, for running the country we need a government. We hear the word government in daily newspaper, television or in conversation. So, we have learned. So, in COVID-19 period, we have learned this government word many times, that this is government guideline, government tell to reopen the school of 10th standard, 12th standard. Government uh, will provide a vaccine free. Like that many times we have heard the word government. So government is needed to run the administration of the nation and to take decision. So they are taking decision that how they have taken decision in COVID-19, that how much bed is required for all peoples, for COVID patients. Then about vaccination also, they provide us various schemes. Many things they provide because they take care of us, na? So all the decision on behalf of us, who is taking? Government. Government works in the planned way for the development of the country. So they are working in planning manner, that this time this thing should be there. For this period, this much project should be completed. Like that, they have planned way for the development of our country. Keeping constitution in mind for nation, reformation and implementation is done by the government. Constitution. So, who wrote our constitution? Who wrote? We are Ambedkar. So, we have to keep the constitution in mind, that constitution tell us about right to freedom, equality, all these things. So, they have to keep all these things between then they are making plans, so no person can get hurt from this, and all decisions are favorable to all persons. So the government of a country is elected through voting by people. So you know na, in our country criteria is that after 18th years or on 18 or more than 18 we can vote to our to that voting system is there for people to choose our government. So we can select that which type. We first see that this person is doing good for us, this person is doing good for us. Like that we have to keep in mind that who is best for our country. So according to us, who is best, that we have to give vote. So in our country, by the people, for the people and of the people, all the governments and all the things are selected by people only. That if A person is there and if B person is there, if A is doing good work, so people give more votes to them na, than comparative to B. So A will become a head, that he will become the government head and he win the vote. So like that this type of system is there. So we only choose that which government is more suitable to us. So we have to keep trust on their decision. So here is given a cutting of a newspaper. In this say written, વિધાનસભાના સત્રોની આજથી પ્રારંભ મંગળવારે દેવાનું. 40 લાખ સુધીનું ટર્નઓવર ધરાવતો વેપારી જીએસટી મુક્ત, સર્વગુણ માટે 10% અનામત. So this is the written in constitution to give SC, OBC many types of relaxation. So these things, all the things are decided by whom? Government. That what is the tax effect, how income tax should be paid, what are the slabs, that also are things are decided by government. Seeing the above picture, we can know about various function, decision and advertisement of the government. We can get information about various function of the government by reading daily newspaper and magazine available in our surrounding. So we can know more about our country by reading newspaper, magazines, that what things are going on, how government is taking decision. So we can get this around us. Democracy means of the people, by the people, for the people. I told you na, like that. That decisions are taken for us. We will select the government and all the things are done up to people only. We only select them. In democratic system of governance, government holds the foremost place. So they are holding the foremost place. Activity. Collect the details from daily newspaper and other literature in the context of government. Create an archive regarding the function of government. So you have to collect various from newspaper. You have to cut that various decisions are there and you have to collect and write on a book. That with what function are doing government, which type of function are that. So you can know much better. Second, discuss the function and facilities of government in life and make a list of them. What are the function of them and how they get facilities, where they have to stay, what they have to do, what function. Because in government many types of things are there. Suppose finance ministries are there, human resource management, all the government is divided into various different section. So they have to work according to their function. So now we're moving ahead with our country, our government. Our country is a country of diversity. Our is the largest democracy in the world with the maximum numbers of voters. So we are the largest democracy in the world, means of the people, by the people, for the people. From maximum numbers of water. So what is that? You know, our economy is what? Mixed economy. So, and here in India, we only choose our government. In various different countries, some systems are different. But here, the population is also at more. First, China's population is highest and second is our. So here maximum numbers of voters are there who are voting for the government. Due to the vastness and diversity of the country, it is difficult to manage from one place. Vastness means various places is there and various expandation of our country is there. And diversity, different diversity is there. Sometimes some peoples of Hindu religion, Sikh religion, then Parsis, Jain, all the religions are there. So how much big our country is, many diversity is there. So it is difficult to manage from one place. That's why government work at various level to administration smoothly against some problems and difficulties. So that I told you like that, na, that various departments are there. So like that they are giving each work according to department. That this person has problem related to suppose finance, and he have to contact to finance minister. This person is problem with management field, then they have to, or salesman field, salesman officer, like that. Each problem one person is there who can solve a problem, and like this our administration is going on. Local self-government, state government and central government work in the democratic system of government. So three type of government is there: local self-government, state government and central government. So if we have problem related to anything, suppose I have a problem related that my around my house some roads are not there, or it is not proper. So first I will contact to municipal. Then if it is not problem solved, then I go to this different government. This is my problem. So there are the steps. First they are municipal. If they will not solve, then we can go to further. Then we can go to state government. So first local self government is taking care of our district, then state government, then central government. It is like court. First is local court, then district court, taluka court, like that, then high court, then supreme court. So these are the government who are doing all the works for the management and administration of our company. Company means country, sorry, country. So today we will keep our lecture up to here. Next lecture we will see further more details about government. Thank you children. I hope you all have understood. So please read it, and I will send a PDF of it after this chapter's completion. Okay? Thank you.